searching the globe, pero mostly Quezon City and Philippines, to look for junk and trash that can be recycled into something you can enjoy, you can appreciate, and you can display. It's me, Wonderbeard the Pirate, doing his best to help you to clean up the environment, to clean up the earth. It's me, Wonderbeard the Pirate.
Oh, I love for the first time in my life. Eyes are open. Oh, for the first time in my life, my eyes can see. I see the sky. Oh, I see the stars. Everything is clearer in my dreams. Oh, hi folks, it's me again, Wonderbird the Pirate, singing one of the love songs of John Lennon that he sang to his great love, Miss Yoko Ono. Kaya lang when John introduced Yoko to the Beatles, he said, "This is Yoko." The band said, "Oh no, that's right." We got lots in store again for this time in our special vlog. We have some John Lennon segments. We have a cardboard cutout assembly point. And we have a Instamatic or instant camera. Wow, imagine that. So as usual, we start from the beginning because we can start from the end. It's me, Wonderbird the Pirate, searching the globe, especially Quezon City and Manila, for things that are still useful or for things that can be saved and be appreciated. Okay? Well, as usual, we start with our English lesson. You know, folks, I went to this very popular drugstore, okay? And then I saw this sign that was placed sa mga steps going up the drugstore. Okay, I will now show you the sign. Okay, do you see it? Nakalagay dyan, please watch your steps. Nakikita niyo? Please watch your steps. Tapos, I transferred to a branch of that drugstore. Okay? I transferred to another branch. Tapos, nakita ko naman to. Please watch your step. Yung una, please watch your steps. Yung pangalawa, nakalagay naman, please watch your step. Ano ba talaga yung tama, kuya? Ano ba talaga tama? Alam mo, when you say watch your steps, titignan mo yung mga paa mo when you go up the stairs. Pero yung please watch your step, that is an expression. Ibig sabihin, mag-ingat kayo. Kasi you're going up the steps, di ba? Watch your step, huwag ka sana matapa. Diba? So therefore, what is the correct version? Please watch your steps or please watch your step. Ito po yung tamang version. Okay? Please watch your step. Yan ang tama. Please watch your step. Kasi expression yun eh. So dapat they should be united. Hindi pwedeng isang drugstore yun ang kanyang nakalagay tapos kabilang drugstore iba naman. Hindi. Kailangan they should be united in their ideas. Okay? Fine. So now we come to our next vlog item. Alam nyo, the magbobote came to me only this afternoon, mga bandang 5 o'clock. Binenta sa akin to for 100 pesos. This is an assembled product. Bibili ka ng isang box, punong-puno ng mga i-assemble na items. Tapos pag na-assemble mo, pwede mo na i-display. Now in this case, assembled na nang dumating sa akin yung item na ito. So now I will show you exactly what it is that the magbobote gave me and sold me for 100 bucks. Okay, here it is. It's quite long and beautiful. Okay, folks. Long and beautiful. Here it is. Ayan. Ayan, you see it? There, you see it? Do you recognize the landmark? It's not in the Philippines. So where is it and what is it? Okay, clue. It's from England. Pero what is it? What do you call this? Anybody? Alright. This is called London Bridge. Okay? So ang ginawa, That's what yung London Bridge. Yung London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. Tama. Kasi nga, you buy this product na sa box, may mga pyesa, at syempre may mga instructions. And then you snap in place, wala kang didikit na glue, you snap in place, tapos na. Okay, yung London Bridge, which is a great British tourist attraction. Okay, now, alam nyo, yung palang kantang yung London Bridge is falling down, meron siyang katotohanan kasi throughout the centuries, no, beginning of the 13th century, nang ginagawa yung bridge na yan, ilang beses na nahulog yung bridge na yun, nahulog, nawasak, and they had to start all over again to fix the bridge. You see? So this is the London Bridge. Alam mo, hindi lang London Bridge ang pwedeng i-assemble. Meron pang Eiffel Tower, meron pang Great Wall of China, baka meron pang Rizal Monument, I don't know. But you can go to National Bookstore and you can check this out, and you could choose what you want, and then you can assemble it. Okay? Display it pagtapos na. So ang tanong, bakit nasa magbobote? According to him, he got this from the junk. Ginunk na lang. Bakit? Ano ba nangyari sa may-ari? Alam mo, some people are like that, no? They fix something, assemble it, tapos pagtapos na yung challenge, i-dispose na, tapo na eh. Siguro ayaw nilang i-display kasi wala silang space or they're really not interested. Mas type nilang ma-challenge sa kakagawa. Tapos pag wala na, dispose na lang. I think, no? Some people do that. Sana makita ko yung how to assemble the Titanic. Ang ganda nun. The Titanic was once the world's largest luxurious liner. Okay? Then, we come now to this vlog item number 2. We have this book. Okay? Di ba, I told you about si John Lennon sa Yoko Ono. Alam mo, nung December 8, 1980 was the last day in the life of John Lennon. Last day niya yun. So, anong ginawa niya? Alam mo yung gabing yun, may dumating na isang frustrated na security guard. His name was Mark David Chapman. Nagpunta si Chapman, nakita niya si Lennon, so nagpa-autograph. Dala ni Chapman yung kanyang latest album ni John Lennon, yung Double Fantasy album. Okay? So, hinawak niya, may marker naman, and then John Lennon signed his name, John Lennon 1980. Okay, na tamang-tama may photographer dun who took a picture of the scene. So, ito po yung actual picture na yun of John Lennon signing the album of Mark David Chapman. So, ayan si John Lennon, ayan si Mark David Chapman. So, he's signing John Lennon 1980, yung plakang yun. Okay? So, after signing, tinanong ni John Lennon sa kanya, is there anything else? Sabi, wala. Okay, sige. So, umalis na si John, umalis si Chapman. Pero he didn't actually leave, no? He waited for about 4 hours, naghihintay siya dun. Tapos, nang umuwi na si John Lennon sa Dakota Apartments in New York City, ayun, he followed Lennon, sabi niya. Sabi ni Mark David Chapman, Mr. Lennon? Yes. So, dahil dating security guard si Mark David Chapman, gumanon siya, nag-bend siya, and fired 4 shots into Lennon. So, what were the last words of Lennon? I told you before, his last words were, I'm shot! Bumagsak siya. Okay? He died going to the hospital. Now, after shooting Lennon, alam mo ginawa ni Mark David Chapman? He didn't run away. He just sat down on the sidewalk, on the pavement. And he read this book, okay? Ito yung copy ng book. It's called The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger. Pasensya na baliktad, no? Pero it's The Catcher in the Rye. Rye, R-Y-E. Obsessed siya sa pagbabasa nitong pocketbook na ito. So, nang dumating ang police, they got him and the pocketbook. And he was arrested. Si Chapman, grabe. Up to now, nasa kulungan pa rin si Mark David Chapman with no chance of parole. Nandiyan din siya for life. Okay? Pero syempre, galit na galit sila Ringo, si George, at saka si Paul sa kanya. Okay? So, that's the way it is. So, now we come to our main vlog, ladies and gentlemen. We have this very old camera. Not that old, pero old na rin, 1980s. Mga 1986 pa to. Okay? Now, as I mentioned, this is an instant camera. Di ba, may instant coffee, may instant oatmeal, may instant kahit na ano. But they have naman invented, dati, yung Eastman Kodak, they invented this instant camera. Okay? So I will now show you this camera. It's big and heavy, no? But I'll show it to you. With original strap pa siya, no? Ayan ang strap original. Ayun, you see that? This is the instant camera na sinasabi ko sa inyo. You see, may flash po. Nakita niyo yung flash? Yung lens, no? Lens. Ito yung click. Ito yung click. When you click, you will take a picture. Okay? So, bakit tinawag instant camera? Kasi, alam mo, yung paghihirap dati ng mga photographer, no? When they take a picture, they have to have it developed, di ba? Para maging film, maging pictures. So, yung pictures na yan, they go to a shop, they give the film, ipaprocess yun, and you come back after about 1 week. Sometimes longer. So, dati sa Pilipinas, wala tayong actual laboratory for those processing. Yung film na binigay nyo, they will ship it to Australia and bring it back to the Philippines. Ganun yun. Kaya you have to wait 1 week. Ganun katagal. Eh, naimbento yung instant camera ito. Okay? So, what is it? Now, magsasalpak dito. Magsasalpak po kayo dito. Yan, nabukas ko na. Magsasalpak kayo ng parang film cartridge. Parang bala. About 10 shots, then you close it. Like that. Pag na-close siya, you're ready. You can put batteries at the back. Ito yung battery, yun yung battery compartment. 4 na pen light batteries. Then you close it. Okay? Buti, buhay pa yung cover, no? Then you now take a picture. So, nakaganyan siya. Meron pa siyang, tignan mo, meron pa siyang hole dito para ilagay siya tripod. Yung tripod. Okay? So, pag ready ka na, you can now take a picture. Gaganon ka. You'll get the camera and then you will just go like that. And then, pag nakafocus ka na, you put this down like that. Click, 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 click. Okay? Pag nag-click ka na, just wait, no? After about 10 seconds, lalabas yung film dito. May lalabas yung film. Pag nakuha mo na yung film, you just wait 1 minute, gumulong ka. You blow, kasi medyo basa-basa pa siya. After that, meron ka ng picture in color or black and white. Kaya tinawag instant camera. Okay? Now, this is all original, no? Nakalagay pa siya sa kanyang original leatherette case, no? Diyan pa rin, may zipper. Okay? Tapos nakalagay pa yung sa loob, meron pa siyang mga manual. Meron pa siyang manual. Ito yung manual niya, no? Manual to give instructions in 4 different languages on how to handle your camera. Tapos meron pa siyang pictures exclusive to how you should take pictures and how to do it properly. Okay? Ito yung pinakitang cartridge na nilagay sa loob ng camera. You see? Wow! All original. Okay, now I'm asking, bakit tinapon na lang sa magbobote, sa junkman? Bakit? Why? What happened? Well, your guess is as good as mine. Alam nyo, mahal yung film for this one. It's expensive. Siguro, imbes na mura lang ang film na bibili mo, you have to buy special film for this. Siguro mga higit 2,000 ang presyo nun. For 10 shots, for 10 pictures. Okay? So, siguro yung may-ari, ayaw na mag-spend, ayaw na gumastos. Ito, nakabili na siya ng ibang klaseng camera na hindi na kailangan ng ganyan. Yan ang nangyari dun. So, alam mo, they still have this Kasi yung anak ko dati, I think last year, we went to Fisher Mall in Quezon City. Sabi, Daddy, tignan mo, nakalagay Instax camera, Instax camera. Ibig sabihin, ganyan din. Kaya lang mas maliit dito. Mas maliit dito, wherein you take a picture, lalabas yung film kaagad. Kaya lang mahal din yung film, pero we still bought it. Kasi gusto niya mag-enjoy, meron siyang field trip, at nagamit naman niya. It's still working, pero since then, hindi niya nakabili ng ibang film. Masyadong mahal kasi. You see? Pero meron pa rin. Okay? So, I have plans of displaying it, syempre, di-display natin. Or, if I want to sell it, I will sell it. Kasi maraming ang mga camera collectors out there who would like to have different kinds of cameras. You see? So, well, I hope you learned something. That's it. Yung Kodak, it's called the Kodak EK 160 EF camera, instant camera. Okay? Kung meron kayong working camera na instant na ganyan, you give me a nice comment. Yung Wonderbird, meron pa kami ganyan, still working at meron pa kaming film. Oh, that's nice. Okay? So as usual, I would like to thank you for being with me. Please don't forget to like me because I like you. Please subscribe to me and please give me good comments. Okay? So I will now leave you with important message that has always guarded my life. Okay? All right? Well, just remember, folks, that wherever you go, you will surely be there. Bye. I love you. Take care.